Hey guys, Crypto Walker here, and I just wanted to record this quick video about Bitcoin and really the markets in general. The bull market, bulls take the stairs up and bears like to ride the elevator. They jump right off the cliff and run down the hill as fast as they can. So you guys have probably experienced that over the last 6 weeks with Bitcoin. And I just wanted to show you in the markets an example of how the bulls will take the stairs up and the bears, bam, take the elevator down. See all that red, all that blood? That's blood in the market, as we would say. The more red you see, the more bloody the market is. And then here you have bulls, and they'll take, a stair step and come back down, a little stair step back down, a little stair step back down, another stair step, another stair step. And then the bears run down the cliff, and the bulls take a few steps, and then bam, there's the bears again. And so I just wanted to show you where we're at right now. Keep in mind this pattern right here, okay? V-bottom pattern right here, all right? Keep that in mind. I'm going to take you to where Bitcoin is now. Okay? See if we can get both of these patterns. Yeah, it's going to be a little tight, but in the screen here. We are having a very similar pattern. Okay? So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see where we're at right now. Okay? Let's get rid of some of these lines here. Actually, let me save this before I do that. Those are some of the lines I'm looking at. We want Bitcoin to stay above this low line here. And I'm going to get rid of all of it. Okay, so you've got this. Bears taking the elevator down, right? Bulls trying to take a few steps up. Come on, guys, we can do it. And then the bear just went, nope, right off the cliff. And here we have the bulls taking a stair step, a stair step. We're working on another stair step. Fully, my prediction is that we will copy this same. Let's see if I can draw this over here. Oh, this same pattern here, we will copy over here, and we'll do something like this. And maybe we come back down to retest this area before we break up and come out. And then most likely we'll come back down to retest this line here. If we don't break down below that line, then this becomes the new support, and we'll break up from there. And we'll just keep making these stair steps up, right? Unless there's some massive bullish news that sends Bitcoin on a tear, we'll just keep taking stair steps up. Or if there's massive news that sends Bitcoin tanking, right? Some governments or banks or whatever, banning whatever. So that's kind of, I just wanted to show you guys some chart patterns and the fact that this is kind of how the markets cycle and how they run, how they work with the bulls and the bears, so that you guys can recognize this I would call a V-bottom pattern. Again, confirmation would be it comes up here, it breaks out, comes back down, retests, and goes and continues on its upward trajectory. Hope that video is just really quick. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a chart pattern here. Here's the trend line I'm watching right now. Okay, we want it to stay above this trend line. Now, if it breaks down, that doesn't mean anything. It just could be testing, retesting another past support area. So 70 in this V bottom right now. 7,200 became support. See how it bounced off of that and came back to retest it again and bounced again. And then 75.35 became support, bounced, came down to test 75.35, bounced off, went up. Now we just tested the 8,200 area as support, which is, if you look over here, we had support here at 8,200. It came up last night, bounced down from 8,200. 8,200 became resistance, and then when it broke through 8,200 and went to 8,600, it came back down to retest 8,200. The stairs, right? It bounces up, comes back down to retest. Yep, that's support. Okay, we're going to bounce up again, retest. Yep, now that's support. We're going to bounce up. And that's just how the markets flow. So we're looking at the 4-hour chart on, I believe, February 7th. I don't even know what day it is, for Bitcoin.